Welcome to Secret Tunnel. This is our new bridge that is powered by Axelar, that enables you to transfer supported assets to secret network from Ethereum, Binance, and more chains in the future. To start using Secret Tunnel, first, connect your wallets, Kepler and MetaMask. Approve the pop-ups that allows the site use your wallet with Secret Network and Axelar. Also approve the request from MetaMask to use Ethereum. Now you are ready to transfer assets to Secret Network. To feel more comfortable with the process, we recommend using our testnet environment without risks. When the site establishes a connection with MetaMask, you will see that the balance updates with the amount of Ethereum that you have. Now you are ready to transfer assets to Secret Network. To start the transfer process, we first need to select the asset and type the amount. We will transfer 1 Ethereum for the test. By clicking on the transfer button, Axelar will generate a temporary deposit address on the Ethereum network, which will be monitored and relayed afterward to Secret Network. Make sure that all the information is correct and press the confirm button. Now we are waiting for the transaction to be submitted to the network. It can take a few seconds, depending on the load on the network. Once that transaction is submitted, we need to wait for enough confirmations. It usually takes around 15 minutes to complete. After around 40 confirmations, we can provide additional details from Axelar that you can tag. In the link you will find more details on the progress of the transaction. If you want to transfer additional assets while the current transaction is taking place, you can open a new instance of the site and start again. Closing or refreshing the page won't affect the transaction. You'll just lose the ability to see the progress in Secret Tunnel. You can always search for the transaction ID from MetaMask on Axelar Scan website. Once the transaction is complete, the status will update and the assets will arrive in your wallet shortly afterward. To see the new balance in secret, click on the swap button. If it is your first time on the site, Kepler will pop up and ask you to sign a permit. Permits are used to query the smart contract about your balance. Approve the request and your balance should be updated. You can always click on the refresh button if the balance is not displayed properly. When transferring assets from Secret Network, you can see 2 Ethereum assets. One is the native Ethereum asset that will automatically unwrap back to the native coin, and the other is wrapped Ethereum. The transfer from Secret is similar to the transfer before, but since it is another method of transferring, once we get the acknowledgement that the transaction was successfully passed to Axelar, we provide you a link to check it on Axelar Scan.
If you have any other questions, reach out to us on the Secret Network Discord or on Telegram.